If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is waterproof, then the answer is partially yes. We have 5 ATM water resistance rating, which actually we can read here at the back of the watch. I'm not sure if you will be able to see it, but here we can see that we have 5 ATM rating. This, at least in theory, means that the watch is safe for example, hand washing. It should be good when you wear your watch when it rains. Some accidental splashes shouldn't really do any damage to the watch. Even showering should be fine. So if you want to shower with your Galaxy Watch 9, you can technically also do that. And all sorts of light, shallow water swimming in a pool, for example, should be completely fine. In fact, we have some fitness activities over here, some workout plans that include swimming, like for example pool swim or the open water swim. Still, it is definitely recommended to avoid putting your watch in a water. So if you can, just take it off. And definitely you should not really use it, for example, for like scuba diving or high-speed water sports like jet skiing or water skiing. And your watch should be fine if you just follow these restrictions. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.